Getting started with your learning team starts with the Learning Team Charter. The Learning Team Charter is a document that outlines team member availabilities, proficiencies, and sets team member expectations. The Learning Team Charter can be used to hold each other accountable and sets up the team for long-term success. Through the development of the Learning Team Charter, team members will need to collaborate using a variety of team meeting tools. These meeting tools include online forums, GoToMeeting, and Skype. Each meeting tool comes with its own unique advantages and disadvantages. For instance, the online forums are great for doing quick status updates, they're free to use, and every team member is experienced using them. The online forums also allow team members to share attachments such as PowerPoint presentations and Word documents. However, the online forums do not allow for audio or video communication. And where the online forums fall short, other tools can pick up the slack, such as GoToMeeting and Skype. Both GoToMeeting and Skype allow users to initiate conference calls using audio and video chats, as well as sharing desktops, screens, and attachments. GoToMeeting only allows for up to 3 participants for the free version. For additional participants or larger teams, team members will need to sign up for a subscription and pay to use that service. While Skype allows for additional participants at no additional cost, there is some signing up and setting up of the application before team members can get started. With both GoToMeeting and Skype, team members will need to be available at the given time for the meeting. For some time zone and work issues, this might not work for every single meeting. There is no one-size-fits-all meeting tool. Every meeting will use a different tool given the meeting agenda, as well as the resources needed to complete the meeting. And as the team goes through these meetings and develops the Learning Team Charter, the necessity for organization and roles will become ever more apparent. When assigning roles to each team member, it is important to look back onto the Learning Team Charter. As mentioned before, the Learning Team Charter points out the proficiencies, as well as it goes into depth for strengths and weaknesses. In order to develop the best team possible, it is important to look at both the strengths and the weaknesses of each team member and use those strengths and weaknesses to the team's advantage. When setting up the team in this manner, putting every team member in a position where they're able to do what they do best on every single project task is what's going to allow the team to be successful with any project thrown their way.
Hello, my name is Bill Leisure. We have some very exciting updates to look forward to with how the University of Phoenix teams can use the new online technology to collaborate more efficiently. University of Phoenix works to be the leader in using cutting-edge distance learning and a great environment for the learning teams to best work together. To update and use the latest online technologies available and to give the teams the best tools they need to succeed. Here's a blast from the past for University of Phoenix in the recent past. According to Hedgegard, the Vice President of Online Services at Phoenix, about 10 years ago we began looking around for an alternative distance learning medium, and we decided that communications through computers, modems, was a nice fit for our existing teaching models. He also stated these programs offer the most scheduling flexibility for our students, most of whom are working adults. By using the latest technology to interface with the online classes and team meetings and expedite and improve how the teams will interface with each other to collaborate and communicate the team needs and issues being addressed. My first topic is how to conduct all-hands meetings with the latest technologies and strategy. Meeting management is a team's ability to plan and conduct an effective meetings. Every meeting needs a meeting agenda to establish goals and discussions that each meeting is to address. With using the latest audio-visual as well as texting tools to enhance and keep teammates fully informed of relevant issues, important to have a first meeting of the week. Keeping the minutes or a summary of main points and any decisions made. Is the team meeting their deadlines? Effective meetings are especially important for cross-functional teams. As the University of Phoenix was leading the cutting edge of online classes in its beginning in 1980, as it should continue to lead the cutting edge of online classes with today's current technologies. My second topic is effective midweek communication. Establish a realistic timeline to help monitor progress and how the team is getting along. Helps reporting the good and the bad news, information of items that may or may not be going as planned, and to let others know in a timely manner. Gives time for team members to adjust and modify needed changes and problems. That was the Janaz, Dowd, and Schneider quote. My third topic is public speaking, do's and don'ts for virtual speeches. Prepare your speech, as this is essential to a great presentation. Practice, relax, start your speech with a punchline if possible. Try not to read from a script or to fully memorize. I am definitely a believer for using the latest in technologies that can help to enhance the team's learning abilities and to function at their highest capacities. As the teams have been working over the years here at the University of Phoenix, we have grown in utilizing and using the new online technologies that have become available for us to use and improve while incorporating them into our class use. I want to thank you.